Falcon 9 is in startup.
With that call, we are now awaiting confirmation that the SpaceX launch director is go for launch.
MD is go for launch.
With that go for launch confirmation, we're now 30 seconds away from the flight of this Falcon 9 rocket from Space Launch Complex 40. "15 seconds. And here we go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engine ignition, and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket on the NROL-77 mission. The Falcon 9 has cleared the towers.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
MOC chamber pressure is nominal.
Falcon 9 more than a minute into flight now at this point, approaching max Q. Rocket passing through the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Coming up next to MVAC chill, the thermal conditioning of the Merlin vacuum engine. SpaceX is coming up to a few different events in fairly rapid succession, starting with main engine cutoff, or MECO, at about T plus 2 minutes and 12 seconds. That'll be followed by stage separation, the ignition of the Merlin vacuum engine, start of the boost back burn, and then the payload fairing jettison.